So, good morning to all. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the insertion shot, and in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about selection shot. So, first of all, let me tell you the algorithm of selection shot. Then we will move towards the practical example. Okay. So, the input part will remain same. The name of the algorithm is selection shot. So, again, A is an array and n is the number of terms inside the array. So first of all, let me tell you what is the approach. Let's say I have couple of elements like this. That is the value of A, and value of n becomes what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So value of n becomes 8. So what is the approach? My approach is I will traverse from first element to the last element. It means I am going to traverse the complete array. It means I will start from here to here. And what I will do, I will try to find out the position of the smallest element. So let me write the positions. Position number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. So what is the position of the smallest element? The position of smallest element is 2. So what I will do, I will swap position number 1 element and position number 2 element. It means in a first pass, what I will do, I will put the smallest element of the array at the first position. It means it becomes like this one, and the complete array will remain same. So let me repeat. What is the concept? First of all, I will traverse the complete array and I will try to find out the smallest element position. So I will get 2. So I am going to perform swapping of first one and second element. Are you getting? Then now that is the condition of A. So what is the benefit of this? The benefit of this one is the first of all the problem size was n, but now the problem size becomes n minus 1. Why it becomes n minus 1? Because one element has got its correct place, because it is the smallest number among all the numbers, so it should come at the very first position, and we have done this. That's why first of all n number of elements was unsorted. Now we have n minus 1 element which is unsorted. Okay, then what I will do, I will repeat the complete algorithm. We can say I will try to find out the smallest number inside the array again, but this time I will start with 2. It means I am not going to start with 1. This time I will start with 2. So what will happen? I will find the smallest element index as 5. So what I will do, I will swap element number 2 and element number 5. So if you remember this one, in the first case, what we have done, we have swapped element number 1 and the smallest element index. This time, what I am going to do, I am going to swap element number 2 and the smallest element index. It is 5, I think. Okay. So what is going to happen? I am going to swap this one. What you will get? You will get 1. It will remain as it is. After swapping, 3 will come here. 4 will as it is, and 9 is as it is, and 13 will come here, and remaining element will be as it is. Okay, so in the first one, what we have done, we have swapped element number 1 and the index of the smallest element. Now what we have done, we have started with the second position and we have swapped element number 2 at the smallest element position. Okay, that is 5. You can check. That is 5. Then what I will do, I will repeat the same procedure, but what I will do, I will swap with the third element because 2 element has got the correct place. My like we can say size of a problem has been reduced to n minus 3, where n is a number of terms, sorry, n minus 2, where n is a number of terms. Okay, then what I will do, I will try to find the smallest element, that is 3, and I will swap with 3. So there will be no change in positions. Okay, it means 3 will swap with 3. So nothing will happen and my array will remain as it is. Like this. Then what will happen? I will repeat the same procedure, but now I will start with 4. Okay, it means this one. From here I will start and till here I will go. What is the position of the smallest element? That is 4 itself. Okay, so 4 will be swapped with 4, so there will be no change inside the array. Now what I will do, I will repeat the same statement, but now I will start with 5. So what will happen? What is the index of the smallest element? That is 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means the index of 12 is 8. Then what is going to happen? I will swap 13 with 12. So what will happen? It becomes like 1, 3, 4, 9, 12, 29, then 16, then 13. So what is going to happen? Element number 5 has been swapped with element number 8. Then let me do this for you. Now I will repeat the same statement, but I will start with element number 6 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is the index of the smallest element is 8. So 6 element will be replaced by 8. What will happen? It becomes 13, 16 and 29. Then 7th element will be swapped by 7 because element was already at the correct place. So array will remain as it is. Okay. And at the last one, there is no need to apply the loop, because if this element is sorted, so this one will be automatic sorted. Okay. So let me explain the procedure again. What is going to happen? Let's say if an array is giving to you, what you will do? First of all, you will find the smallest element inside the array, and you are going to swap that particular element with the first one. So what is the meaning of this one is? The meaning of this one is, if the problem size was n, now the problem size has been reduced to n minus 1. Why n minus 1? Because one element has got the correct place. Okay, that is called selection sort. Okay, and from programming point of view, you can check that. That is 2, that is 1, that is 3, that is 4, that is 5, that is 6, that is 7. It means if there are n element, or we can say there are like in this case there are 8 elements, so we have to perform 7 swapping like this. Okay, we have to perform 7 swapping, and you can check that there is a logical series 1 to 8, 7, or we can say n minus 1. So we can apply loop. Okay, we can apply loop. So let me explain the algorithm. After that we will see the algorithm. Okay, a practical example in fact. So let me run this one. So in algorithm, what I will do, I will apply the loop from 1 to n minus 1, and I will try to find the location of the smallest element. Okay, so please follow me. Okay, in first step what I will do, I will take 4 I equals 1 to n minus 1. What is the meaning of this one is I am going to perform n minus 1 times procedure. Why n minus 1 times? Because if there are n elements, then after n minus 1 iterations, n minus 1 element will be shorted. And if there are n element and n minus 1 has got the correct place, then automatically n1 nth number will got the correct place. Okay. So I will start loop equal to 1 to n minus 1. Okay. Then what I will do in step number 2, I will find the index of smallest element. Start from I. It means at the first half, what will happen? I will find the index of the smallest element start from I. At the initial stage, the value of I is 1. It means I will go till 1 to n. Second time, I will go to n because value of I becomes 2. The second iteration. Okay. Then what I will do, I will swap the elements of which one? Ith and I will find the index of smallest element start from I. Let me save it in J. Let's say we can write like J. Okay. So I have find the index of the smallest element. I have saved in J. Okay. So please swap the element of ith and the jth of array. Okay. That is the end of like algorithm. So it looks very simple, but here we have written a line. I will find the index of smallest element starting with I. So from programming point of view, what I have to do, I have to apply the loop starting from I to the end of the array so that I can find the smallest element index. Okay. So from programming point of view, here also I have to apply the loop. Okay. So that is the concept of selection sort. So whenever I will cover the programming part, then what I will do, I will build a procedure so that we can find the smallest element index and then we will perform swapping. Okay. So swapping can be performed in two ways. Either we can use third variable or without using third variable. So there is two options. You can choose anyone. Okay. So that is the concept of selection sort. If you have any doubt, you can come to me anytime. Thanks for this.